The Korea Institute for Curriculum and Evaluation has announced the mock test for College Scholastic Ability Test, corresponding to the 2024 academic year, will take place on September 6th, with 50% of the questions set to come from lectures aired by the Education Broadcasting System EBS.
2024학년도 수능 대비 모의평가가 9월 6일 실시된다고 한국교육과정평가원이 발표했습니다. 이번 평가 문항 중 50%는 EBS에서 방송된 수능 강의 내용에서 출제될 예정입니다. So, it says here the CSAT, the
Yes.
College Scholastic Ability Test. 이게 2024 academic year가 뭐죠?
Yes. Academic year or anything that's academic means something related to education. If you are an academic, then it means that you are in the field of education. You are either a professor, you're a teacher, and if it's the academic year, it's either January to December, or it could also mean something starting from March to the next calendar year in which your school year starts.
So it's specifically talking about high school seniors.
Yes, that's right.
고3 수험생들이 이제 내년 학기에 이제 2024학년도에 올해 치를 이제
Yes.
다음 학년도에 시험이 되겠네요.
That's
so
right.
academic year 이제 서방 국가들에서 이제 9월에 학기가 시작하니까 they would say maybe the 2023-2024
Yes,
academic
that's right.
year, right? Because it goes across 2 years. Another expression here we have set to come from.
So if you are set to something, in this case, it's set to come from lectures, it means that you are to begin to come from lectures, or the questions will actually stem from, or they will actually come from these lectures. They will be derived from, or they will be taken from the lectures aired by EBS.
So if we say it the other way, EBS will be covering
Yes.
what will come out on the test. 예전에 학교에서 이제 시험 범위가 뭐냐고 이제 선생님한테 물어볼 때 이제 what will the test cover?
Yes,
Right? You would
that's
say.
right.
So but here the test questions are set to come from
Yes.
EBS. So
That's right.
all you students listen to EBS.
Yeah, exactly.